So question number 14 we have is, a board has 16 square, 2 squares are chosen at random. The probability that no side in common. So we have to find the probability if we are choosing those 2 square from the 16 square and they have no side in common. So first try to understand what are the ways, in total number of ways, how many ways we have in which we can choose 2 square from the 16 square. That will be equal to what? 16C2. This is the total number of ways. Now the number of, in how many cases we have the common side. Let's suppose I choose this 2, then it has the common side. Let's suppose I choose this 2, then it has a common side. Let's suppose I choose this 2, then it has a common side. So vertical we have 1, 2 and 3 cases. Same for this column also, 6, 9 and 12. Same way in the horizontal, if I choose this 2, I have one side in common. If I choose this 2, I have one side in common, and this 2, I have one side in common. So 1, 2 and 3. So in horizontal also you see 3, 6, 9 and 12. So 12 cases in the vertical and 12 cases in the horizontal where we have the sides in common. Right? So total cases we have is total cases minus the common cases. So 12 in the vertical plus 12 in the horizontal. This will give what? This will give those cases where we don't have the sides in common. So 16C2 is what? It will be 15 into 16 by 2 minus how many cases it will become? 24. This can be cancelled as 8, 120 minus 24. This come as 96. Now they are asking the probability, no? So probability is what? This is the 96. There are 96 cases when we don't have sides in common. Then 96 divided by the total cases, that is 120. 24 into 4 is 96. 24 into 5 is 120. So the final answer will come as what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is, I think, option number A. Option number A is the correct answer.